If you've ever wanted to see exactly how a graphics change will look before you commit to it in FH6, you're going to love this feature. In this video, I'll show you how to preview graphic changes in FH6 so you can test settings safely and find the best balance between performance and visuals. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more FH6 tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, while you're in the game, press Escape on your keyboard to open the main menu. From there, go into Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for the Graphics and Performance section. This is where FH6 gives you control over the game's visual quality, performance options, and individual graphics settings. Now, select the option to tweak individual settings. This is the part that gives you more control over specific visual features instead of changing everything at once. Before you actually apply a change, you'll notice there is an option to preview the settings. On keyboard, this is done by pressing Backspace. That preview option is the key to testing how the game will look before you lock in the new setting. So if you're not sure whether a setting will make the game look better, worse, sharper, smoother, or more demanding on your system, just use the preview feature first. It lets you see the result in real time so you can compare the difference and decide whether it's worth keeping. This is especially useful if you're adjusting graphics for better frame rate, cleaner visuals, or just trying to find your ideal setup without constantly guessing. Once you preview the change, you can decide if you want to keep it or move on and try another setting. I really recommend using this feature whenever you're making graphics changes because it saves time and helps you avoid settings you may end up regretting. It's one of those small but amazing features that makes tuning FH6 much easier. And that's it. Now you know how to preview graphic changes in FH6 using the built-in settings preview option. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more FH6 guides, tips, and helpful walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.